Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to change the monitor refresh rate in the NVIDIA Control Panel on your Windows 10 PC. Now, of course, for this to work, you do need to be running an NVIDIA video card in your computer. But hey, maybe you're like me. I just went recently and bought two new monitors. These are both 75 Hertz monitors, or maybe you bought 144 Hertz monitors and you want to make sure they're set up properly. I know for a fact these are currently running at 60 Hertz and I need them to be running at the 75 Hertz or maybe the 144 Hertz in your situation. We're going to show you exactly how to do that here in just a moment. But if you're new here, my name is Ken. Thank you for joining today. And this is Northern Viking Everyday. And we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. So please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But let's go ahead, jump right over to my Windows 10 computer, get right into it. All right, so here we are on my Windows 10 desktop, and the first thing we need to do is open up the NVIDIA Control Panel. So in order to do that, just find an open area on your desktop, and you can go ahead and right-click with your mouse. And in the window that pops up, you should see the NVIDIA Control Panel. You could go ahead and left-click on that. If you're not seeing that, go down to the Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner and scroll through your programs down to the letter N, and you should see the NVIDIA Control Panel there. Now, if you are running an NVIDIA video card and you're not seeing this option, you might need to update this software or your drivers, and you can probably check that out on the NVIDIA website or on your computer manufacturer's website. Now, let's go ahead and open up the NVIDIA Control Panel. And once it's open, it's going to look something like this. Now, we need to go ahead and find where we can change the settings of our monitors. And on the left-hand side, you should see an option that says Display. If I hit the little plus sign next to it, it's going to expand that. And there's an option here that says Change Resolution. So let's go ahead and left-click on that. And what's going to pop up is an option here where you can select which monitor you want to change. So you can see I've got two 24-inch Dell monitors. So we want to just select whichever one we're wanting to change. And then you can go down a little bit further and you're going to see the resolution. Now, I'm using 1080p and you can see that is selected here. But we need to go ahead right next to that. You're going to see the refresh rate. And if I click on that, I'm seeing 60 Hertz, 59 Hertz, 50 Hertz. I'm not seeing the 75 Hertz, or maybe in your situation, the 144 Hertz that I'm looking for. So if this is the problem, I would recommend scrolling further down the list. And again, you're going to see another option for the resolution you're looking for. In my situation, 1080p, so 1920 by 1080. We're going to click on that, and now all of a sudden there's a 75 Hertz refresh rate option here. So we can go ahead and make sure that is selected, and that should work for you. Now I'm going to do this with my second monitor as well. It should be the same thing over there. So again, there's no 75 Hertz here under the refresh rate, but if I scroll down and go on the 1080p further down, there it does appear. I can select that. Now once you've done that, we need to go ahead and hit the Apply button in the bottom right hand corner. So let's go ahead and left click on that and let it do its thing here. It says your desktop configuration has changed. Would you like to keep these changes? I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. And it's going to update that. And now you can see that it is currently set to 75 Hertz rather than 60 Hertz. And I have these monitors set up the exact way that I'd like. So one other thing I'd like to mention is that you probably should go into the settings of your monitor. So with the buttons on the front, my monitors have an option for response time, and I've set that to extreme to get the best results out of these monitors. So go check out those settings in your monitor as well to get the best performance. So I hope this video did help you out in adjusting the refresh rate on your monitors with the NVIDIA Control Panel. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.